Man, that's a whole lot of money to not lose. You know, die.
Man, I look dumb.
I think after you have to start it the third time, they should get you out of there. I'm just gonna keep recording because it's kind of funny.
Yeah. You know the helmet's like, motherfucking son of a bitch.
Just they'd come neutral.
Shit out the water.
Neutral drop it. Neutral drop it. It's gonna be bad, boy.